Welcome, listeners, to another inspiring episode of Becoming Better Fathers. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're here to celebrate and explore the incredible journey of fatherhood. Being a father is a remarkable privilege, and it comes with great responsibility. So, gentlemen, let's embark on this transformative conversation about what it means to be a better father. Today, I want to speak directly to all the fathers out there, whether you're a seasoned dad or just starting this incredible adventure. Fatherhood is a profound opportunity to make a lasting impact on the lives of our children. It's about being present, involved, and nurturing their growth and well-being. But what does it mean to be a better father? It's not about perfection or having all the answers. Instead, it's a continuous journey of learning, growing, and evolving as individuals and as fathers. It's about making intentional choices and showing up for our children, even when it's challenging. To inspire you on this path, let me share a few essential qualities that can help us become better fathers. First and foremost, it's important to be present in our children's lives. In our busy world, it's easy to get caught up in work, commitments, and distractions. But being present means putting down our phones, stepping away from the noise, and truly engaging with our children. It's about active listening, offering our time and undivided attention, and creating meaningful connections. Secondly, let's cultivate empathy and emotional intelligence. Our children need a safe space to express themselves, and it's our role as fathers to provide that nurturing environment. By being open, supportive, and understanding, we can help our children navigate their emotions, develop resilience, and build strong relationships. Next, let's prioritize quality time. In the midst of our hectic schedules, it's crucial to carve out dedicated moments to connect with our children. Whether it's playing games, going for walks, or simply having heart-to-heart conversations, these shared experiences create memories that will last a lifetime. Furthermore, let's be intentional role models. Our children observe our actions, attitudes, and values, and they learn from what they see. By embodying kindness, integrity, and respect, we set a positive example for them to follow. Let's strive to be the men we want our children to become. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's practice self-care and seek support when needed. Being a father is a demanding role, and it's essential that we take care of ourselves so that we can be the best versions of ourselves for our children. Whether it's seeking guidance from fellow fathers, participating in support groups, or prioritizing our mental and physical well-being, self-care empowers us to show up fully for our families. Gentlemen, the journey of becoming a better father is a lifelong commitment. It requires dedication, patience, and a genuine love for our children. But the rewards are immeasurable. The joy of watching our children grow, the pride of witnessing their achievements, and the unbreakable bond we share. So, my fellow fathers, let's embrace this incredible opportunity and commit to being the best fathers we can be. Let's create a legacy of love, guidance, and strength that will shape the lives of our children and future generations. Remember that your love and presence as a father can truly change the lives of your children. It's never too late to start or to make improvements. Every moment is an opportunity for growth and connection. I encourage you to reflect on the qualities we discussed today: being present, cultivating empathy, prioritizing quality time, being an intentional role model, and practicing self-care. Take a moment to think about how you can incorporate these qualities into your own fatherhood journey. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Becoming Better Fathers. I'm your host, Tony, reminding you that every day is a chance to be a better father and make a positive impact on the lives of your children.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name: Tony's Drain at tonysdrain.com.